Yes, we have a few small things left. 3 small things. First, the summary of the summary. Summary of the summary. Let's see how that works for us. The summary, where we get all the results. Well, we get that's just, and then we zoom in a second. We have the call. We have the residuals. Actually, not all the residuals, but we are having the mean, median, the quartiles of the residuals. So it's kind of a summary of what's going on for the residuals. We have this very core part of the output, intercept and slope information. We have the actual estimates, the standard errors coming from those formulas that I've given to you. We have those 2 numbers divided by each other to give the t-statistics, the observed t-statistics, and then the p-values based on the right t-distribution. We do not see the right t-quantiles, and we do not see the confidence intervals from this base output. We do see the sigma. This is sigma hat here. We do see n-2. We do see the square of the correlation coefficient. And that's basically what we are talking about in our course. Let's summarize. We have the residuals, minimum, quartiles. We have the coefficients, the estimate, the standard error, the observed t-statistic, and the p-value. We have the residual standard error, the sigma, sigma hat, and the degrees of freedom, n-2. And then we have the square of the correlation, which has an interpretation that we'll get back to in a sec as the explained variation. That is the summary of the summary. Right? So I gave you all the formulas also. You are expected to know about the formulas. Just to repeat that, I said that a few weeks ago. It's not enough just to be able to do the R thing. We show you the R thing because that's how we work with these things when we become real engineers, right? But in this course, I want you to think about what you do. Well, not that I'm suggesting you shouldn't think about what you do in the future, but we are allowed to let the engine work for us when we have an understanding of what it can do for us when we get there. But at sometimes we need to think about what it's actually doing for us. So that was the summary of the summary.